Assalamualaikum. Welcome back with me in my channel Asep and Septian. Let's discuss about English. Okay guys, last meeting we have discussed about narrative. Last video we have discussed about narrative, and in this video we will continue our discussion still about narrative. Okay, let's start. Yeah, I have prepared for you one story. And it is about the lion and the mouse. Okay, maybe you can pause the video for a while and read the text. And I hope you understand too. You understand the text. Okay, you can pause now. 1, 2, 3. Okay, good. So, take a look. If you can see, okay, you can see in the text, actually I have prepared a yellow words. There is was, grabbed, opened, backed, thought, was, led, and etc. Actually, what are they? We will discuss about them. Okay, we will discuss about those words. Okay, let's see. So, these are the words that you can see in the text. Okay, there is grab, open, back, echoed, succeeded, laughed, promised, was, thought, led, heard, ran, and said. All of those words actually are verb to. Okay, verb to. Jadi kata kerja kedua. Emang kata kerja pertamanya apa saudara? What is the first verb? You can see this is the first verb. Okay, so grab become grabbed, opened from open, back, and etc. And was from is or are. Was from is, not are ya. Are is were. Thought from think, led from led, heard from hear, ran from run, said from say. Okay. Nah, so when you use verb to, when you write something or when you speak, it's called you are using past tense. So you can use past tense. When you want to tell about the story. In this case, it is about narrative. When you want to tell about narrative text, when you want to make narrative text, you have to use verb to. Okay, you have to use verb to. In past tense, we have two kinds. The first, regular. It means that beraturan. Like as you can see, you just add ed, cuma ditambahin ed doang. Grabbed, opened, backed. Not bagged ya, not opened, no. In English you have to say at. Opened, backed. Echoed, succeeded. Nah, kalau dia belakangnya d atau t pakainya it. Ya, succeed jadinya succeeded. Laughed, promised, ada t-nya. Itu yang regular. Kalau regular merubahnya gampang tapi nyebutnya rada susah dia. And the second, it is irregular, tidak beraturan. Yang tadinya is jadi was. Bukan is, enggak gitu, enggak. Jadi is jadi was. Think jadi thought. Let sama kebetulan jadi let juga. Hear jadi heard. Run jadi ran. Say become said. Ya, regular and irregular. Don't forget you have to use verb to if you want to tell about the story or narrative text. Okay, let's see the example. I have prepared 3 sentences for you. Take a look the first one. Nah, Naruto. My second favorite comic. My first favorite comic is One Piece. The second is Naruto. Di dunia para ninja ada seorang anak yang hidup sebatang kara bernama Naruto. Nah, I want to tell about Naruto. I want to make a story about Naruto. So I have to use past tense. And in past tense I have to use verb to. So what is the English? The English is in Ninja's world there was, ada kan there is. Tapi karena kita past tense jadinya there was a kid who lived. Who lived, yang tinggal, yang hidup, who lived alone. Named, bernama Naruto. Yang saya kuningin, the words in yellow actually it is past tense verb to. The next example. Ikan emas itu berkata, kalau kau melepaskanku, aku akan memberimu hadiah. Okay, take a look. What is the English? The goldfish said. Nah, said itu kata bentuk kedua dari verb to from say. But take a look the white words. Sir, kok let sama will-nya dia tetap bentuk pertama, sir? Nggak pakai bentuk kedua, katanya kalau naratif atau story kita mau ngomong pakai bentuk kedua atau bentuk pertama. Bentuk kedua. Gitu. Kenapa let-nya nggak jadi let, terus will-nya nggak jadi would? Kenapa dia tetap jadi will? Karena itu adalah kalimat langsung. Jadi goldfish-nya langsung ngomong ceritanya, ngomong sama orang yang ditujunya. Nah, kalau misalkan dia kutip atau ngomong, berarti kita nggak pakai past tense, kita tetap menggunakan present. If you let me go, I will give you something as your prize. Beda ceritanya kalau misalkan ikan mas itu berkata, kalau dia melepaskan ikan mas itu, ikan mas itu akan memberikannya hadiah. Nah, beda tuh kalau begitu. Kalau itu kita harus pakai past tense semua. Tapi karena ini kalimat langsung, gitu, kalimat langsung berarti kita harus menggunakan present di dalamnya. The third example. Akhirnya manusia dan monster bisa hidup berdampingan selamanya. Saya ngarang sendiri aja, misalkan saya mau buat naratif tentang monster dan manusia gitu. Nah, itu coba contohnya. So what is the English? What is the translation? Finally, humans and monsters, itu monsternya kurang S, sorry. Humans and monsters could, could berasal dari can. Kan bisa itu kan can. Tapi karena because we use past tense, so we use could live together forever. Okay. So that's about past tense, but it's still continued. It's still continued. We will discuss the next past tense. Okay. I think that's enough for this video. Thank you for your attention, guys. See you again. Bye-bye.